Hey guys, welcome back to another severe thunderstorm warning video, part 2. I just got back from recording another video. We're under another severe thunderstorm warning, so I'm watching every movement. Ow, damn it. Sorry, I just hit my leg against the table. You see how it's dark back there? I don't think you can see it, but on my angle, it's fucking dark. Right over here, it's pitch black. The fucking sky is black. But, yes, I'm actually trying to capture some more lightning. I'm gonna upload both these videos. Holy crap! Look how that cloud's moving. You see that? You see that, dude? Look how that's fucking cool. That's fucking amazing. Look at the cloud. All right. Well, right now it's not raining. Right now, when I was done recording that other video, it was just getting ready to stop raining, so I did pretty good. You see it? Look at the sky, it's fucking black. I hope you won't get no tornado. Hoping not. See, it's fucking cloudy outside. I want to at least capture like every movement of this storm because it's moving. I just checked the radar, and there was one near the Maryland border, and it's heading right straight towards us. So I'm gonna capture as much footage as I can before we get fucking hammered again. Your truck's too damn loud, asshole. Damn. Anyway, so yeah, I'm capturing some another storm footage. It's pretty good footage. I know it's dangerous being out here during a storm like this, but I want to do it for my YouTube channel. Because this is wild footage. Holy crap, dude. Look how pitch black the sky looks. Oh, I gotta move these chairs real quick. Damn it. You see how pitch black the sky looks? You see how it looks like there? Oh, wait. Oh, it's raining, it's raining, it's raining. I hear rain, I hear rain. Dude, it got cold out here. It's not even hot outside anymore. It's fucking cold. I can hear sprinkles. The storm that was on the Maryland border is getting ready to hit us. It's getting ready to hit us. But look how fucking... Look at the sky, dude. Oh, shit! I think I captured that. I'm not sure. I looked at the other video, I didn't catch on the lightning like I thought I did. But yes, we're under really bad weather right now. So yes, capture as much footage as I can. Dude, it is fucking cold out here. It's cold. Dude, it went from being sunny and now it's fucking dark again. It's dark. Hold on. I'll leave the camera right here for now. Just look at the sky. I'm just trying to fix my glasses because it's with the moisture and the wind and the rain, it's kind of making my glasses blurry. Oh, lightning! I just saw lightning right over there, right over there. Holy fucking crap! Look at the sky, though! Holy fucking crap! Like, it's literally fucking dark out right now. You see it? Look. You see how? You know? See how the sky looks? On my angle, it's fucking dark outside. It's fucking dark. It's dark. This is wild, dude. I like this. This is pretty good. Pretty good. But it's not... Okay, now it's starting to rain. I can hear the rain. I can hear the rain. It's starting to rain. Oh, it's raining. Here we go. Here we go. Here it comes. Here it comes. Here it comes. Okay. Okay. You see the rain? Let me move the couch real quick so I can get a sense of security. I don't think you can hear the rain though. I don't think you can, but I can. Yeah, it's fucking raining again. It's raining again. Looks like a fucking eyeball. Yeah, it's fucking raining again. It's raining again. Holy shit! Dude, if I had a better camera, I would have caught that lightning like it was clear water. I would have caught that too, damn. Yeah, we're under severe bad weather right now, dude. This is like playing a fucking... This is like playing another movie of tornado or some shit. There's a movie that has to do with tornado. You see it's raining again? See the rain? Here comes a truck. This is dangerous, I do admit. This is fucking dangerous. But I'm only doing this so I can get some content on my YouTube channel. Whoa, look at that, baby. Look at that car. Sexy, huh? Now that's my car. Oh shit, I saw lightning. It's dark over there. See, it's doing it again. It's fucking raining again. Yeah, we're gonna get slammed again. This is just the beginning of the storm. This is just the beginning. Just the beginning. The big part did not even come yet. So far, I don't see much. A lot of it's on the mountain right now. Yes, there are mountains where I live. It's fucking cold. It's fucking cool out here. Storming outside, huh? Oh, that's fun. That's this thunder or flashing lightning. It's jumping to cloud right now. Whoa! I saw something like there. I didn't capture it though, but I saw the flash of it. I saw the flash. I think the camera got some of the flash too, from the flash and lightning. With all these power lines, this can easily get electrocuted. Ooh! Look at the lightning. Oh, here we go! Here we go! It instantly started pouring just in time. I captured it too. Oh, it's dark. It's fucking dark. It is freaking dark. People have their headlights on it too. Damn. Is that Bob? Yeah, it's Bob. That's Holly and that's Holly and her boyfriend. Yep, the lights are coming on. It's getting really dark out. Oh shit! Saw some flash. Yeah, it's really dark out. It's dark. Yeah, we went from being hit by one storm, and then we're getting hit by another. Oh, it's pouring! It's pouring again, it's pouring. Let's see if I can get any lightning. See the ring on that minivan? The light? It's fucking pouring again, dude. Oh, okay. It just got a lot darker right now. It's dark outside. Yes, this is unsafe, but I'm doing it because I want some content on my channel. Oh shit! Oh, it's fucking pouring now. It's pouring. We just got hit by one storm, now we're getting hit by another one. It's kind of flashing around, but I don't see any lightning. Oh! That was a big flash. Huh. Okay. Oh, it's windy. It's windy. Something's about to happen. Get my camera. The fucking lightning's active. You can hear how hard it's raining. You can hear it. Oh, Jesus. Get my coffee. Yes, I'm drinking coffee. Same cup, like always. Well, unfortunately, I couldn't record the beginning of the first storm because I didn't know there was even going to be a storm coming today. Oh shit! I can feel the wind. Back away a little bit. Back away a little bit. Oh wait, the pink is what lightning? That's the pink. Pink is the lightning. If you saw a pink flash, that was the lightning. Dude, I got chills. I got the chills. I got some chills. Hold on. Whoa, it's flashing big time. It's flashing. Slow down, bro. This is what you this like. Why do people drive sports cars in this crap, dude? What's the whole damn purpose of driving sports cars? I can see driving an SUV and a truck, but why a fucking sports car? Ugh, back is killing me. Me standing. I'm trying to get good captures. I'm gonna be shocked if the lightning hits that pole over there. I'm gonna be shocked. If that lightning strike hits that pole, I'm going to be shocked. Shocked like the lightning, boy. Dude, right now in Shippensburg, there was reports saying that power lines were down, trees were down, flash floods. Like I told you, this storms like this are going to cause flash floods. It's raining hard. Is that how hard it's raining right now? Oh God. What it's doing is just jumping to cloud to cloud. It's not like it'll be straight down like your storm did. It's just recording how bad it is going right now. Oh, look at that rumble. Rumble, 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 rumble. Rumble like the motherfucking lightning is going to cut the ground. The whole fucking road is literally, it's fucking foggy outside. It's not my camera, it's the fucking fog. When I wake up the next morning, I want to look like I'm haunted. Look, I'm being haunted right now, bro. I guarantee by the next morning, it's going to be fucking foggier than mother effer. It's going to look like the ghost ship. Look. You see the wind? See how it's turning different directions. So far, I haven't captured any lightning. It's been flashing a lot. Probably with the fog, it's probably blocking off the lightning. It is 8:30, and lightning has been detected 3 miles away. Look at the rain. It's recording for 20 minutes now. Oh, jeez. This storm does have active lightning though. Oh! Oh, damn! 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 Okay, okay, okay. 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 Oh, jeez. What it's doing is just jumping from cloud to cloud. It's not gonna touch down unless it was very rare. I'm gonna sit down. My back's kind of hurting right now. Holy! Damn! Did you hear that rumble? Holy fuck! Jesus fuck! That scared the shit out of me. That was terrifying. Jesus fuck. I am so glad I captured this on camera, dude. I am so fucking glad. This is fucking good ass footage. Like, it's not lightning, it's just that it's the flash of the lightning is what surprises a lot of people. That big ass rumble, bro. Holy fuck. Oh my god. Dude. You know what surprises me more than anything is that we have not lost power yet. This storm is fucking active. With all the flashing and shit. Like, I'm not putting like just random flashes on the screen. This is really from the fucking storm, dude. This is fucking insane. If we lose power, you can tell by because that pole over there will go out. It's recorded for 23 minutes and I'm going to get good footage. Good footage. Oh, 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 oh. Okay. Okay. Alright. I'm impressed. Keep going. Show what you got. Come on. Give us some good footage. Give us some what you got. Come on. Okay. Rumble. Okay. Got any more lightning strikes or something? Like, do something that can scare the fill out of me. Do something. Okay. Alright. This is just a bunch of heat lightning. Oh! Oh shit! Oh shit! Jesus Christ! Oh my god! Oh, you done scared me. Okay, I'm impressed. Damn. You got any more? Come on, scare me again. Scare me again. Do it again. Oh shit. Scare me again. That was good. That was good. Come on. Show what you got. Show what your best. Show your best. Come on. Come on. Do it again. Give it all you got. Give it all you got. I may get scared, but you ain't scare me enough to get me to get back in the house. You ain't gonna scare me enough. Come on. Come on. Oh. This is wild, dude. This is wild. Come on! Do something! Do something! Come on! I'm waiting! I want to capture on footage! %of my footage. I only got 5 minutes before I have to make it part 2. Excuse me. Woo! Woo-hoo! This is good! Come on! Show more! Come on! Don't be shy! I can handle more! I ain't scared! Give it all you got! Come on! I'm gonna scream like a fucking moron, dude! That lightning back there, oh damn, that was close. That was a close lightning strike. Come on! Do something! Scare me or something, scare me! Ooh. Come on, baby, come on! Do something to scare the shit out of me! I'm impressed, okay, okay. This star's really active because of the lightning. Hell yeah. Oh, ooh, ooh, ooh.
Jesus.
Hey, Brian. Dude, from the beginning of the storm, I recorded on camera. I can show what happened.
What happened?
Okay, so back there, a lightning strike hit and it made a big ass rumble. I'm recording everything. Dude, it scared me twice. It scared the shit out of me twice.
Dude, it's coming the fuck down.
Oh yeah, this is going on my YouTube. So you want to look back on the storm, you can. This is wild. This is wild, boy. Dude, you know where the storm came from? This storm was mainly on the Maryland border, but he worked his way up towards us. Oh shit! Oh shit!
There was a tornado forming in Chambersburg.
Wait, what?
Yeah. Don't record me.
Why not? There was a tornado forming in Chambersburg. Did it touch down though, or no? No. Oh well.
What the fuck's mom?
She's in Chambersburg. I think she's heading back home though. But everything that the storm has done, I recorded everything. Everything. I might have to make another I might have to make another part though. Cause this video splits into parts after 30 minutes. Ooh. Ooh. You feel the warm air. You feel that? Oh, it's slowing down. It's slowing down. Ooh. The rumble of that thunder though, damn.
It's chilly out here.
Yeah, cause dude, when this storm was coming by, it was fucking cold. Oh, ooh, holy shit!
That struck over there, dude.
That
hit something.
I recorded that. Oh, lightning's active. This lightning's active.
Oh,
Oh
shit.
shit! Got any more?
Hear that fucking rumble?
Yeah. Dude, this is moisture. This is moisture. Dude, it's very active right over there. You can see how it's flashing. I'm looking at it right now with my camera. Okay. Come
Yeah,
on.
they have tornado warnings and shit.
Where? Do we have one?
Everywhere.
We have tornado warnings right here?
Yeah.
Probably because the storm's so active.
I don't think we're gonna get one.
No. What? Oh, shit. This is a fucking show, bro. I'm so glad I recorded this, though. It's one of the 2 videos now, though, because I went past 30 minutes. Look at that fucking heat lightning, though. It's so active.
It's
It's
moving away.
yeah, it is.
Oh.
I just captured that too. I'm looking right at where it's active. You see this dark cloud, but then you see this white cloud like literally standing right in front of it, right behind it. Damn, that fucking thunder, bro. Oh, damn. Damn, I don't think I captured that though, but I saw the flash. %. 8:30. It's 8:43. We're supposed to get storms all night though. Did you hear about that? We're supposed to get thunderstorms all night.
I know there's a lot of trees down.
Dude, Mom was actually saying on the phone that when she was going past this one road, there was 6 inches of fucking rain